Today's recipe is creamy Brussels sprouts and rice cauliflower. Welcome to my channel. I'm Helma and I'm going to share with you simple, tasty and incredible recipes that would impress your friends. I hope you come along with me in this journey. Start with 12 ounces of rice cauliflower. We're going to preheat our oven 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're going to roast the cauliflower for 20 minutes. "16 ounces of Brussels sprouts, washed, cleaned, and cut it in halves. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil. Mix well. And now we're going to put in the oven again at 350 for about 30 minutes. Now we're going to prepare the sauce. Half a cup of goat cheese, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, half a cup of parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of garlic and parsley chopped together, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of salt, white pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of thyme. We're going to cook this in low heat until all the cheese melts. Now we just need to put our dish together. We're going to put the cauliflower in a baking dish. We're going to add the Brussels sprouts. And then the white sauce. At the end, I'm just gonna sprinkle some parmesan cheese. And we are gonna bake on 350 for 30 minutes. It's that simple and very delicious. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment and share with your friends. If you're new to the channel, subscribe so you can see more delicious food. Bon appetit! See you in the next video.